Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little while since I posted a video. Excuse my hat hair. Oh well, I wear a cowboy hat most of the time outside, so I got hat hair on. Anyways, so I had good questions about the Bosch 2.0 lineup. Okay, as you know, it's now my favorite brand. I really like them, and for good reason. But people are asking what is being changed. So let's hop right into it. The lineup now going forward is going to be as follows. So they are making it even more simple for us. So all this information, by the way, these notes, I took them because I spoke to the technical manager or technical representative for tech support. And his name is Greg, and he's in the state of Arizona. So this is the new lineup, okay? I'm only going to talk about the 18 and the 20 seer split heat pump lineup. Okay, I'm not worried about 15 seer. I don't care much for that. Or, and not in this video, I don't have time to go into the package heat pump, nor do I have any updates on it. Anyways, again, Bosch is really simple. Very advanced, but very simple. The new 18 and 20 seer lineup are gonna have the same air handler, okay? Very, very simple, and it's brilliant. If you have worked with other brands, they like to throw in all kinds of air handlers and really, really confuse people sometimes, especially if you're carrying different brands. So for Bosch, all you need to know is the air handler going forward is the same for the 18 and the 20 seer. Essentially, it's still a two-stage ECM blower motor, okay, proven to work. Everything else stays really the same, okay? If you remember before, the 18 seer used to have a one-stage ECM or one-stage blower motor. Now, both the 18 and the 20 seer have a two-stage ECM blower motor. That's it, okay? Nothing to it. Now, let's hop into the 18 seer outdoor unit. Oh, the model number for the air handler is BVA20, okay? The outdoor unit, let's talk about the 18 seer. It's a BOV B18. So that is the 18 seer lineup. That one is 26% all the way up to 110% in 1% increments, okay? So why is this better? Well, because now matched with a two-stage ECM blower motor, you can have better comfort, a colder coil, and better dehumidification. Who does not want that? Everybody wants that. So it is a step in the right direction, or a significant, I would say, plus, okay, to this new change. But that's pretty much it. Now, going into the 20 seer, the model number is a BOVA20, okay, BOVA20. That one, and this is the one I'm the most impressed. This one goes from 36% all the way up to 130% in 1% increments, okay? Why would you need 130%? Well, that's a question for another video. But I can give you a hint. It revolves around extreme temperatures, more so specifically in cold climates, okay? So we can kind of go lightly into that, but let's just say that these are great for dual fuel purposes. I've used them on various customers up north, and they love them, okay? It's a little bit more advanced, but they absolutely love the fact that they're not spending all kinds of money on propane and the time to get their propane refilled in their cabins up there, okay? So the 20 seer is much better for extreme temperatures, okay, and dual fuel purposes. So anyways, that's pretty much it. I don't have anything else really. These were a lot more simple. If you would like to, I can later make a video for the package heat pump, which is also really nice. We can talk about it a little bit, but the 15 seer split heat pump, I'm not worried about. I don't like them. It's not I don't like them, it's just I hear 15 seer and I'm not even worried about that, okay? I don't really care much for any low seer equipment, to be honest. I own two 20 seers, So how could I recommend my customers to have 15 SEER equipment? Unless, of course, they're gonna, you know, sell the house, or they really cannot afford a high SEER unit. Well, I can tell you then in that case there's better options than a 15 SEER Bosch for the money. Okay, so that's why I'm not going to go into it, because if you want a 15 SEER unit, we can get you a 15 SEER unit, but it's not going to be Bosch, because why would you want a 15 SEER Bosch? You really want Bosch if you want 18 SEER and 20 SEER. If you want 15 SEER, we can get you something much cheaper. Okay, so anyways, thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe. I really appreciate all the comments. They really motivate me to make videos. If I post a video, for example, nobody comments, nobody likes it, it's hard to get motivated to do another one, right? But anyways, that's it. Share this with a friend, and we'll see you on the next one.